guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to do chest workout, and please subscribe our channel, like and share, and let's start with warm up.
So guys, we are going to do normal push-up. It's like a warm-up only for us. So let's do the warm-up. So the hand should be wide. So the workout should be like this. Keep the back straight, knee straight, and go down, up and down. Do 15 reps into 3. So the workout is like this. So keep doing. So after 5 more, we should hold for 10 seconds, like this half portion. I'll show you in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, just hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Yep. So guys, here we go with the first variation is chest press. So see this, go down and up, squeeze your chest, exhale when you're going up and inhale when you're coming down. So workout will be like this, 10 into 4 sets. Okay, so 10 first set, second set 15, third 20 and 25. Okay, yeah guys. Yep. So guys, see this workout, this is the same first variation. Who want to do this, you can do even like this, so it will be more effective also. Who have shoulder pain and all, try to avoid this. So you should hold one hand and try to touch with the other hand. Okay, so it will be like this. So please check this. So do 10 one side and other side 10. Okay, so now we can change to the other side. Yeah, right, come on, squeeze the chest, tight the chest more and do this. Yes guys, if you want to do like this, try to do, or you can do normal chest press. Okay guys, we are going to do the second variation. Let's start with the workout. So it's like this. So you should keep the dumbbell lower than your chest and go upward and tight your chest. So squeeze your chest more, harder, tight it more and do. So you should do 15 into 3 sets. Okay, so see this properly, like this word, upward, tighten your chest. Right guy. So guys, this is the other variation, second variation only. I'm just showing you. If you want to do this word, you can do this word, or you can even do like standing word. So this is also same as that. So lie down and just squeeze your chest more harder and try to do this. So the workout is like this guys, please check it. Guys, here we go with the third variation. So we should keep the leg raised up down the wall, and you should keep your body inclined and try to squeeze your chest and do this. So this is like decline. So for lower chest, so who don't have a bench, they can even do like this. So this is the other alternative way to do. So please do like this. Do 15 into 3 sets guys. So guys, here we go with the fourth variation. It's fly. So it should be like this. So please check this. Keep your arm straight, bend the elbow bit and keep straight and try to do like this. So here we go with the fifth variation. So go down with your hands a bit slower and try to squeeze your chest up. So when you're coming, squeeze it and lose it. Okay, so when you're coming down, please check it, it should be a bit slower. Try to control yourself and try to do slower. And the workout is like this guys, please follow us, keep doing guys with us. Yep. Yeah guys, here we go with the sixth variation. So the workout is like this. So go down and go backward. You should not bend the elbow much. So do like this guys. And before that, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So for more videos, please follow us guys. So see you in next video. Bye bye.